Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to film my sort of gym, simple, everyday makeup look. No, I don't wear this look every time I go to the gym. Normally I'm in a rush, so I don't wear a lot of makeup at all. If I do, it would be concealer. That's my number one if I go to the gym. But this is for days... Should I close my window? This is for days where you're not really feeling yourself. You need that little bit of motivation and a little bit of a push to make you go to the gym, and sometimes makeup does help that. I get really bad bags and redness, so that's why I normally wear makeup to the gym, but you don't have to. I'm not wearing a lot of makeup at all. It's just really lightweight, and the products that I've used I don't use a lot of, which you will see in the tutorial. And I'm not trying to promote that you should wear makeup when you go to the gym. It's completely up to you, but I just wanted to create a video that helps if you did want to wear makeup, and you don't even have to wear it to the gym. If you just wanted sort of like a really simple everyday makeup, you're in a rush for work, school, whatever, I just feel like this makeup look would help a lot of people, so I wanted to share it with you. So yeah, that is all I wanted to do. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So to start off, I'm just going to use some Olay, which is my favourite moisturiser. It is the Beauty Fluid in Original. Is it Original? It's the normal, dry and combo. I use this every day and night without fail. Like, it's just the best moisturiser I've ever used for my face. My mum used it when she was younger, and it's the best. So I really recommend it. Moving on to brows, I just like to fill them in a little bit, not too dramatic like usual. I'm going to use the iconic London Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion in medium. I use the right hand side, so the darker shade. The good thing about this product is it's really lightweight, so it is really buildable, and if you just want sort of a natural brow, it will give you that. So I just fill them in a little bit to make them not as sparse, and then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser just to sort of carve them out a little bit, but I'm just using a tiny bit of product just to make sure they're a bit more in place. Like so. So once your brows are all carved out, I'm going to use this same concealer, basically sort of like a foundation, but I'm just going to sort of dot it around my face randomly. I'm not going to use any foundation. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just sort of push it around. It's so lightweight, but it's going to cover up your bags. And then what we're going to do is get the leftover product from your powder brush. If you haven't got leftover product, then just grab a translucent powder really lightly, because you don't want it to be really cakey, and literally just do it tiny bit just to set your makeup, and honestly it won't move. Like, this is the big difference. I sweat a lot, so using a powder just helps sort of keep your makeup in place. But just do it so lightly so it's still sticky, but it's nothing major. To bronze my skin up a little bit and to add a little bit more coverage, because I haven't really got anything on my forehead right now, I'm going to use the Chanel, what's it called? Solitan. And it is like a creamy bronzer, but it just gives your skin such a nice glow. And I use it every time I go to the gym. It is expensive, but I've had this for 2 years. And it's lasted me a long time. It's just my new favourite for the gym. I just feel like it works really well with my skin. I don't feel like I'm putting loads of makeup on. It just feels really nice. You can sort of bronze up your cheeks a little bit with it. When that's done, I like to get my blusher brush and use the product left from it and just pop it on my cheeks. This wakes me up a little bit. I always go to the gym in the morning, and I feel like it just brightens me up a bit. It makes me feel a lot more fresh. Don't know why, it just does. Hello. What I like to do now is just put mascara on. If I don't have individuals on, I put a tiny bit on my top and a tiny bit on my bottom. Seeing as I've got my tops individuals, I'll just put it on my bottom. So you don't have to have individuals. I just personally like getting them done, but if you don't want to get them done, then just go for mascara on top. So the last thing to do is wipe the makeup off your lip, because you don't want foundation lips. And then I'm just going to get a lip balm. This is Vaseline. And I'm literally just going to apply it on my lips. I always get really dehydrated lips whenever I go to the gym, so I just like to hydrate them beforehand. So everyone, this is the final result. I'm not promoting that you should wear makeup when you go to the gym. I'm not gonna lie, I don't always wear makeup when I go to the gym. Like I said at the beginning, it's just for days where you're not feeling yourself, you want that little bit of motivation, a little bit of push to make you feel a bit better about yourself. And sometimes you want to cover up your bags. Sometimes you've got a bit of redness, you want to cover up. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, but this is just a video to help if you do want to, and this is what I do. So that is basically what I'm saying. No, I haven't got any spots from keeping my makeup on. It's really, really thin. I don't wear a lot of makeup, as you can see. I have got really good skin. Not gonna, like, my skin is good, not the discoloration and stuff, but I don't have any spots is what I'm trying to say. It doesn't prevent spots from coming, but yeah, this is just something that I like to do and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye.